At least 12 people have been killed and many more are missing in blizzards in the Himalayas in Nepal, officials say. Trekkers were trapped in heavy snowfall as they returned from the Thorong La mountain pass on the Annapurna circuit, in Mustang district. Nepalese, Polish and Israeli citizens are reported to be among the dead. Nearly 40 others were rescued. The army has deployed helicopters to lead the search and rescue operation. In a separate incident not far away on Tuesday, 3 Nepalese farmers died in an avalanche. Officials have said that the unexpected snowfall was probably caused by the tail end of Cyclone Hudhud, reports the BBC's Faininder Dahul in Kathmandu. Hudhud hit southeast India earlier this week. Satellite pictures now show it moving away from Nepal towards China. Correspondents say the latest disaster is another massive blow to Nepal's trekking industry, which plays a vital role in the country's economy. It comes just months after 16 Sherpa mountain guides died in Nepal's worst ever